Hello everyone, a video on Praxin Corporation. Um, I haven't been doing follow-up videos on this stock in quite some time. It's the 20th of October 2014, and this is a stock that's at 3.0375 today, down about 5%. Now, I want to talk about the overall trend. This here is the 6-month chart, and you can see it's really done nothing over the course of the last couple months except just come down. 66% of the trading days, this stock has been down. Some news came out last week, and they were just discussing the fact that they were going to have their collection receivables in the house. And okay, I mean, really, other than that, there hasn't been much news. Now, that news, I want to wait and see more on that issue, that topic. So basically, they've made progress towards their goal of collecting receivables in house, and it does seem appropriate to discuss that just a little bit. You can reasonably expect that the bottom line will be improved. I'm talking about from a fundamental standpoint on this small company. It's really impossible for us to know in advance how much the bottom line will improve because we just don't know how much it will cost to collect receivables in-house. And typically the cost of collecting receivables in-house is considerable, though. So just wanted to pass that tidbit that it sounds like optimistic news, but we want to wait and see. As far as the stock is concerned, I mean, if you're not buying this on fundamentals, you really should not be buying it because the technicals are just not there. We had a few pops. The one nice pop was up to around 10 cents. That's when I started to make some of these videos. We came down, we popped again, but made a lower low, and that time we barely even made it up to 6 cents. Came back down, and really we've just been doing not much at all. Hovering around, 4 cents. I think to sum up this stock, that's probably the best way to put it, a nice fat yawn. Now, I wanted to make this video because they are up until November 15th. That is their deadline to go ahead and report their revenues for the quarter. So, what are we going to see? Well, your guess is as good as mine, but right now, this company only has a market cap of 13.7 million. Now they're making a considerably more than that per month. I can get you the exact numbers, but from what I recall, they were doing upwards of almost 20 million a month. Let me just 1 second here. So anyway, when you have a market cap of 13.7 million and you have a company doing almost 20 a month, I mean that's as undervalued as you're going to get it. Now some are expecting 250 million plus revenue, 2015. Hey, we'll see. I really don't know, but I do know one thing: the price of the stock is not reflecting anything positive going on in this company at the moment. So at the moment, I'm definitely not accumulating until I start to see some volume pick up. I am holding some on a fundamental buy level that I really don't mind letting it sit and just forgetting about it if need be for 6 months, a year, whatever. but it would have been nice to see some sort of action happening in this stock. We go back to the 10-year and look what happened in 2010. Of course, it was a previous company called Pause, P-A-W-S, but you could just see it did make a nice pop. Now, I'm going to update this stock once more before those numbers come out for the quarter, just to see if we see any of that optimistic buying taking place into that announcement. So that's really about it. I'm neutral as the on this stock, I should say. Um, it looks to me from a fundamental standpoint, it's a no-brainer to go long. But at the same time, I like to see some confirmation with price action. So I'm just staying neutral on this with a bias towards the long side. Everybody have a great trading week, and I'll make another video on this stock next week. Take care.